Back in the days, being a Jamaican child was different, very different, because back then, children didn't have attitude problems, they had fear. Nowadays, children have tablets, opinions, and timeouts. Back in the days, you had rules and you didn't ask why. Back in the days, talking back wasn't allowed, and talking back didn't mean arguing. It meant saying okay with the wrong tone. One little attitude and you'd hear, "Who you talking to?" And at that moment, your whole future flashed before your eyes. Back in the days, greeting adults was mandatory. You had to greet everyone, neighbors, visitors, strangers. If you passed an adult and didn't say good morning, you weren't shy. You were rude. And trust me, that report always reached your parents before you got home. Back in the days, children didn't roam freely. You played near home. If you went too far, your parents somehow already knew. No phone, no camera, but when you got home, the question was waiting. Who tell you to go so far? Back in the days, food was not to be wasted. Leaving food on your plate was a serious offense. You'd hear about hungry children, hard times, and how food costs money. You didn't get up until that plate was empty. Back in the days, school complaints were final. If a teacher called your house, there was no explanation. The teacher was right, you were wrong. End of discussion. And back in the days, you didn't touch what you were told not to touch. Radio, stove, company things. Curiosity wasn't a reason. You were warned once. Nowadays, children are different. They negotiate, they explain, they ask questions. But back in the days, you listened. And every Jamaican child from that era has the same memories. Different homes, same discipline. This is part 1. And if you lived this, you already know.